Hey, it's me Deep Life back again with another video. I wanted to show you this painting that I recently painted for Rajat Shenoy. It will be going to Karnataka, so this painting will be going from Mumbai to Karnataka. So Rajat here is a very old subscriber of us, and such old subscribers of us are real gold because they have been following us since a long time when we were very small, and they have been a great support to us. उनकी वजह से ही आज ये channel इतना बड़ा बन पाया है. I know the channel is not super huge, but still 18,000 लोग भी बहुत होते हैं यार, बहुत होते हैं. पर बात इधर ही खत्म नहीं होती. I've been getting many orders on my Facebook page और उसके वजह से I bought this. These are canvases and I am going to unbox them. I am going to unbox this thing. So इसके अंदर दो canvases है and this is the size that I usually prefer to paint in. It is not actually what I prefer. It is what people actually love. I'll need two hands. That is why I'll need to keep the camera aside for the time being. I'll just quickly remove it out to you. So this is how a canvas looks like. So the canvas is by Camel and it looks something like this. There is a wooden frame and उसके ऊपर they have mounted a cotton canvas and then they have given some treatments so that the color sticks to it. So I'll just remove the plastic, unbox it more. So yes, I love this part. Like इसको कहते हैं canvas को नंगा करना. And those are my paints because I was working on this artwork. And निकल जा, plastic, so much plastic. And this is what the canvas looks like. And some more plastic. So these are the wooden things that they gave along with the canvas. So these things I'll quickly remove one and I'll show you how it is. I don't generally use this, but इनको इधर डालने का होता है ऐसे, and then not here, sorry, इधर. It is not going. Okay, ऐसे थोड़ा डालने का and then you have to hammer it. उससे क्या होता है, canvas becomes tight. I don't generally use these because Camel has done an amazing job of mounting the canvas. So I have another order and I'll be making another artwork on this. So many a time what happens is artist is very confused. When he is a new artist, he is very confused at what niche should he go for. Finding out your niche is something that you need to do. So this is my niche. This is what I found out. I make portraits which are colorful, so I make vibrant portraits. This is my niche, and if you want to buy my artwork, you can always contact me on my FB page. I'll quickly put a picture of Rajat here so you can actually know how handsome Rajat is in real life, and this is what I made out of the picture. And Rajat was very happy with how the artwork turned out to be. So I also make these are non-intellectual abstracts, and this is how they look. Look at the fabulous texture on this one. So I had uploaded the Barvi Dam vlog and I got a great response for that. So I get really great responses for my vlogs. While these two orders are drying right now, I will be working on the third one. So I have given a coat of skin color onto the canvas because that is how I base coat the canvas, and base coating is very important if you want the painting to last long. Color डालने में I never compromise. The product that I am giving, that is the painting, needs to be really superior, of that quality. Sometimes क्या होता है, you know there is a flaw in the painting. सामने वाला person might not know it, but you know in your heart that you have messed there and you have messed it up and still you have not corrected. So तो मन में वो आपको खाता रहेगा और आप चैन की नींद नहीं सो पाओगे. That is why give your 100%. It should be 100% from your side. बाकी सब भूल जाओ, अच्छा ही होने वाला है. अरे यार रह क्यों नहीं रहा है, रहना. Yes, perfect. So now I'll be working on this artwork. This artwork is also a vibrant portrait. But let me tell you, all my artworks are not always vibrant portraits. कई बार क्या होता है कि people want something customized. Well, I took a bath right now and that is why all this messy hair, and that painting is going to be delivered today. I'll just give you a closer look how the painting looks like. So okay, and on the back, On the wooden frame, there is this signature of mine, D. Ved Pathak, that is my surname, and Deep Life, because I am Deep Life, and that has to go today. I'll miss you, boy. And the painting is nicely packaged. Today I'm not going to deliver it with the courier because this client lives in Ghatkopar and I also live in Ghatkopar. That is why. And I've added a small message over here. Made with love and a dash of talent. I'll really miss this masterpiece because I am really attached to every painting that I make. It takes so much time to make that painting, so much efforts, and at the end of the day everything just pays off. So it is raining right now and I have given an appointment to the client at actually 11 AM and I don't know how it will go. I hope the rain stops in some time because once the rain starts it generally doesn't stop. I won't be actually rescheduling the meeting because I have many deadlines today. So Deep Life is quite busy these days, but if you want to get something made for you, you can always contact me on my Facebook page. Especially I make portraits. See, this is a front profile. Matlab, this is front profile. This is front profile. So I make front profile vibrant portraits. That is what I specialize in. So when my paintings will reach your home, they will be packaged in a packaging that looks something like this. Painting will be completely bubble wrapped. So many of my subscribers were actually asking me to teach them how I make these artworks. So this is something that I have learned. It has taken me 2 years to learn this by myself. I am a self-taught artist. So to be a successful artist, it takes a lot of practice. Your art should speak, and the second thing that you need is a brand name. So you need to develop your brand. So these things will make you successful in the art field. In short बोलूँ तो आपको नाम कमाना है. नाम कमाने में लोगों को अरसा लग जाता है और आपका काम एकदम चोखा होना चाहिए. This is a client of mine who was working with me for 6 sketches. So I had actually made around 6 ballpoint sketches for him and I had sent it to Jaipur. So this is the message that he actually sent me. I'll be reading it out for you. Bro, I don't have words to express how overwhelming it was when I opened a parcel. You have made my day, and the way it was packaged with the palm impression of yours and the message that you had wrote, phew, senti kar diya tune bhai. Lots of love to you, brother. For the artwork, again I don't have words. It's better than I thought. I mean, pata nahi kya bolu main. Dil jeet liya tusi yaar. She will love it. I had made for special someone. She will love it. Believe me when I say this, I do have tears in my eyes while writing this. When I imagine the moment I'll gift this diary filled with your artwork, I feel like I can't express, yaar. Thanks a lot to you, yaar, Deepraj. I really appreciate what you have done for me. I wish all the success, name and fame to you and your channel. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. I know if I'm able to make difference in your life with my art, it is something that is really positive. It is something that is really overwhelming for me and it really makes me proud that I could make a difference in your life with my art. So it is really cool how art can be a medium to express love. If you're new to the channel, I make vlogs and I make art related content. Well, people have been asking me when is the Draw with Deep Life caricature video coming out. So I will do that very soon and I'm going to do a female caricature this time. So do comment in the comment section that who I should be drawing next. It should be a female and a respected female personality. So make a decision very wisely because I will pick your comment, I will display it there, and then I will draw. So well, that was it for this video. If you've liked this video, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the bell icon and I'll see you in the next one.